When you're working with color ink, it's really important to be conscious of a couple of things. One is never contaminate the ink with another color. So all of your tools have to be impeccably clean. And it's also important to clean the edge of the tool. If this had a little black ink on the tip and I dipped into the yellow ink, it would contaminate it and turn it kind of a lovely green color. The other thing is that this is our biggest expense in here. Some of these inks are extremely expensive. We do buy high quality inks and the pigment in them is extremely dense. So you'll be surprised how little color you really need to make a color for your printing. So I'll demonstrate that later. Right now I just want to show you how to deal with a can of ink that has a skin on it. So when you open the can of ink, you want to first of all see if there's a skin, and you can use your finger, you can use a palette knife, a clean palette knife. This one has a skin on it, which is just formed from it drying. So to deal with that, I'm going to put on my gloves. Now if you dust your hands with baby powder, it makes it easier to put the gloves on, and also, more importantly, it makes it easy to take them off. And you'll also be able to reuse them. If not, they get all sweaty and you won't want to put them back on again. So use a little baby powder. Then make sure your knife is perfectly clean and cut with the tip of, just the very tip of your knife. You're going to cut and rotate the can as you're cutting as close to the edge of the can as you possibly can, so that you get all of that skin. And what we're going to do is remove it so that we don't have any of it in our ink when we're printing. A few things you're going to need when you're setting up gloves, baby powder. You're going to need some VOC safer solvent, tools. Okay, so I am using my thumb, because the skin on here isn't going to get all over me, to lift it, and I'm letting the ink kind of fall back into the can. And then I'm going to take this skin with quite a bit of ink attached, that's good, and I'm going to try to